What's the meaning of amortize? Amortize. 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 Amortize.
The term amortize refers to the process of gradually paying off a debt or loan through regular payments over a set period of time. This process involves dividing the total amount owed into equal installments, which are paid at fixed intervals until the debt is fully repaid. The main goal of amortization is to reduce the burden of a large debt by spreading out the payments over an extended period. By the end of the amortization period, the borrower will have fully paid off the debt and will no longer owe any money to the lender.